Welcome back to Chicago Favorites, where we explore the best eats, spots, and secrets Chicagoland has to offer. Today we're visiting one of Illinois' most incredible hidden gems, located right across from the Des Plaines Metra station at 1476 Minor Street in downtown Des Plaines. From a stunning movie palace to a hidden speakeasy, this place has it all. The Des Plaines Theater first opened its doors in August of 1925, built by Barney Wilkeman and operated by the Polka Brothers. In 1982, tragedy struck when an accidental fire damaged nearby commercial space, forcing the theater to close for nearly a year. Attendance declined, ownership changed several times, and portions of the original architecture were even covered up. Thankfully, local preservation efforts prevented demolition, and after years of restoration, the Des Plaines Theater was brought back to life as a beautiful live entertainment venue we see today. Designed in an elegant Spanish Baroque style by architects Betts and Holcomb, the theater originally featured silent films, accompanied by a magnificent pipe organ, along with vaudeville acts and community performances. When talking pictures arrived in 1929, audiences changed, and so did the economy. The Great Depression was hard on the theater, and eventually it lost its organ and equipment at an auction. In 1935, new owners transformed the theater with an Art Deco renovation and added the beautiful neon marquee, still admired today. Well, since we've already taken the elevator upstairs, hidden behind what appears to be an ordinary bookshelf is one of the coolest surprises in Chicagoland. Bourbon Brass, an elegant 1920s inspired speakeasy. Rich Baroque-style couches, marble tables, chandeliers, antique telephones, vintage radios, and beautiful Capodimonte porcelain lamps create a cozy atmosphere that feels like you've traveled back into the roaring 20s. Honestly, it kind of reminds me of vanilla and strawberry ice cream. What do you think? Most evenings feature live music, including Jazz Wednesdays, Bluesy Thursdays, Indie Tuesdays, and weekend performances. On most nights, there is no admission charge. However, if they do a cover charge, usually it's between $5 and $10, if it is in fact implied. Come on in and simply enjoy the food, the beverages, while supporting the musicians. And don't be shy about enjoying the breathtaking ambiance. Just to be historically accurate, this speakeasy was not an initial speakeasy of Chicago. This area was initially apartments once upon a time, and the current owner decided to break open those walls and open the area and turn it into the fantastical place which we know as Bourbon Brass on the second floor of the Des Plaines Theater. One detail that immediately caught my attention was the stunning Capodimonte porcelain lamps. Originating from an 18th century Italian artistic tradition, these handcrafted pieces became especially popular during the 1950s through the 1970s. They're famous for delicate porcelain flowers, cherubs, intricate sculpting, and elegant brass bases. Authenticate examples often featured a crown end mark and remain highly collectible today. It makes it hard to believe that the Des Plaines Theater was almost demolished in the early 2000s. Community activism secured its eligibility to be listed on the National Register of Historical Places. The theater reopened in 2011, only to be closed again in 2014 due to a modern building code challenge. Luckily, joint investment plans between the city and Rivers Casino have aimed to rehabilitate the historic venue into the modern live performance and entertainment destination that we see today. And quite a remarkable one at that. The time and care that it took to create such a magnificent space is definitely noteworthy. Even before entering the auditorium, the lobby feels like stepping back into another era. Vintage decor, classic pinball machines, old-fashioned radios, nostalgic jukeboxes, and historic touches are everywhere you look. We grabbed a slice of pizza and a warm pretzel before the show, just to soak up the atmosphere. Of course, the Des Plaines pizza has a little bit more to offer than just pizza and pretzel. There's a whole list of other accoutrements. And do yourself a favor and check with the usher, because we were allowed to bring our beverages and our snacks in with us. The theater itself is absolutely breathtaking. From the grand proscenium arch to ornate plasterwork, decorative statues, chandeliers, and beautifully restored seating, it's easy to understand why this venue remains one of Illinois' architectural treasures. Our visit brought us here for the Sacred Voices concert, featuring talented musicians from the Vatican. The performance included sacred liturgical music alongside beautiful selections of classical opera. The evening was presented with support from the Bartolucci Foundation, whose mission continues to preserve and share this remarkable musical tradition with audiences around the world. It was an unforgettable performance in one of the most beautiful concert venues in the Chicago area. If you'd like to learn more about the performers from the Vatican with the Sacred Voices, the Bartolucci Foundation, and their upcoming opera, or if you're even looking to schedule a tour with the Vatican, that's right, kids. They're graciously kind enough to offer that service for you. Here is a copy of what the CD looks like in Missa Papae Marcelli if you are interested in taking some of their music home, which I highly recommend. Whether you're here for a concert, exploring the hidden speakeasy, admiring the architecture, or simply enjoying a slice of pizza before the show, the Des Plaines Theater offers an experience unlike anywhere in Illinois. Thanks for joining us here on Chicago Favorites. If you liked today's adventure, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We'll see you the next time we continue discovering the best eats, spots, and secrets Chicagoland has to offer.